How to receive money on Zelle with Capital One. Hello everybody, if you are wondering how, you may follow up this step. So head over to zellpay.com, and then once you are there, you need to log in into your account. Once you are logged in, from the given interface, you may scroll down, and when you scroll down, you should be finding an option called Get Started. Tap on Get Started, and again, you will be taken to another page. Now from this Get Started page, you need to scroll down again, and here from the given banks option, you need to locate up Capital One. So we have different banks with different names. Look for the C section where you will be finding Capital One. This one right here, go ahead and tap on Capital One. After that, continue to your bank option will appear, tap on it. And then you will be taken to another page. All you gotta do is simply sign in. After that, go on with the payment method, and that should do it. So that's it for now. You may follow this method in order to transfer money from Zelle to Capital One. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.